Super Sunday Supper. The meal I've cooked to feed my belly today is juicy rosemary chicken, soft buttered potatoes, and 3 different types of string beans off the vine. And on the side, some homemade banana bread. Mark your calendars ahead. Here's your holidays to remember. National Bread Month is celebrated every November. National Chicken Month is celebrated every September. And National Bean Month is celebrated every July. Welcome to my kitchen. It's Super Sunday Supper, and it's time to taste my banana bread. It's hot out of the oven, but now I'm going to butter it up and see if it turned out good this time or not. Well, I usually make my banana bread with nuts, like normally crushed walnuts. And this time I didn't have any crushed walnuts, so I just made it straight banana bread. But I have to say, I do miss those walnuts in it. So it's not as good as it usually is. So you can't win them all, can you? But I have to say the rosemary chicken with green beans and potatoes was fantastic. Thanks for stopping by for supper. Happy holidays, everybody. Benji, stop that.